Hey everyone, today we're here in Canterbury's Ag Central Ashburton, visiting our friends at Rainer Irrigation. Over the past 30 years, Rainer Irrigation has grown to offer a huge range of irrigation equipment and systems which are ever evolving to keep up with technologies, the environment and the needs of farmers. Understandably, this keeps them pretty busy in production, so we're going to head on in and talk to Quentin and the team about why they added QuickStock to their operations.
This company is 35 years old. We're still a family-owned company. Both the directors / owners are still very involved in the company. We are based in Ashburton, but we do have depots in Darfield, and we've got a depot down in Glenavy. We do service the whole of New Zealand. We go right up to the North Island to do servicing work, and all the way down to Invercargill to do servicing work. We are 75 staff members strong as we stand today. We invented VibraScreen. We've got the Rotorainers, that's our brand. We have diversified to going to pivots, but Rotorainers is still a big part of what we do here. We're not just the irrigation company as such, we're also a manufacturing company. So we manufacture a lot of our parts, especially for our Rotorainers, which we made. We've got a full engineering workshop, and my job here at Rainer is purely looking after the stock, the pricing we're paying for it, and making sure we get the best deals ever. Before QuickStock, it was really a big nightmare. I would have to constantly go around looking up and making sure we've got all our stocks in order, and then leave it up to the memory to remember all the parts that we needed.
Managing inventory before QuickStock was quite difficult. We didn't have it readily available. There was a lot of delays with being able to make sure that we've got the right stuff at the right time to do the job. It was unacceptable with the amount of downtime that we were having with the stock management process.
One of my big roles in my position at the moment is seeing where I can save the company money. So I was using the Euromarc online application, and it was working really well. Terry came down, we sat down, we spoke, and then he's like, okay, let's try this. And he introduced me to the QuickStock cabinets, and haven't looked back since then. It's smooth sailing.
How QuickStock works here is quite simple. What are you after, Mike?
Duncan, can I have half dozen gone into this, please?
Yep, no worries.
Great, hey, thanks so much.
No worries at all. It's as easy as that. How we use QuickStock is the guys come into the store and tell us what they require. We remove it out of the cabinets and provide it to them, and we assign it out to the job or to the vehicle, whatever it's going to.
Then at the end of the month, the QuickStock guys comes in, do a stock count, and then they just refill it. And we have ensured that there's always a buffer. So even though I might have, if you go and look at the cabinet, 10 grand worth of stock, I don't pay for it, I only pay for what I use, which is a big saver.
When Euromarc come to replenish the cabinets, it's fantastic. We get all the stock, but the bonus is the biscuits that we get to enjoy at Smoko. Some of the costs involved before was additional freight charges from chasing suppliers, as well as the admin costs associated with procuring different items, multiple suppliers for multiple things, which made it hard then on sell it, like charging out, because depending on what supplier it came from was the price as to what we charged out. So it had a lot of variance in the charging, whereas it's one supplier for everything now. And yeah, it's just made life a lot easier for invoicing.
The way QuickStock have improved our business is the fact that I don't have to worry about the run-of-the-mill consumables for the workshop. I can just concentrate on what really makes us money and getting the best prices.
The elite products in the cabinet are fantastic and are good quality. The flapper discs and grinding discs are really good quality and hold up to the job. The cut-off discs, especially the 1 mil ones, are really good. We never have trouble with them exploding or breaking apart like the cheap ones that you buy from other suppliers.
I would recommend QuickStock to any engineering shop because the cabinet really fills itself.
I would recommend QuickStock. I think it's a fantastic addition to the business. The fact that we have the product we need when we need it allows us to continue doing our daily duties and getting our jobs done on time.
So that concludes our visit to Rainer Irrigation. A huge thanks to Quentin and the team for hosting us and for sharing your story. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.